The first step in the pH meter calibration is to connect the probe and turn it on. Then, press House in the center. Next, select the LabQuest app. Then New. Next, select Sensor. Then, select Calibrate. Rinse the probe.
All the OHs, pink phenolphthalein, I think that's straight dope. Mixing a lipid here and it'll make it soap. You want it neutral, pH is low, better set up.
Place the probe in buffer pH 4.
Don't worry about your eyes. If an acid gets in.
Then calibrate now. Then enter value 1 as 4.00. Wait until the voltage is stable, then press Keep. Next, rinse the probe. Then submerge the probe in buffer pH 7. Enter value 2 as 7. Wait until voltage is stable, then press Keep. Next, select Storage. Then save calibration to sensor. Finally, press OK, and then OK. You will then test a solution of unknown pH using the same steps as before.
Cause if acid gets in, we can fix it without collide. That always know I love me, my stomach, and all the things it dissolves. But my bowel keeps it from meeting my intestine walls. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no acid. I'm all about that bass, no acid. I'm all about that bass, no acid.
And then properly clean and store the meter.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no acid. I'm all about that bass, no acid. I'm all about that bass, no acid.
So strong acids have virtually complete proton dissociation, whereas weak acids only have partial proton dissociation.
The difference in proton dissociation determines how much a molecule will break down in the solution, therefore determining how easily the reaction can be reversed. The more a molecule dissociates, the less likely for a reversible reaction to occur. This means that a weak base that is more likely to form in equilibrium because the molecules are more intact on both sides of the equation than strong acids.
To minimize this effect, use a buffer, which minimizes the one-direction behavior of the equation.
A pH buffer is a solution that helps maintain the pH when the acid or base is added. It does this by taking a strong acid or base and replacing it with a weak one.
Yeah, it's pretty clear, I ain't no science fool. So you got litmus, well I can turn it blue. Make it go boom, boom all over the place. When all the H plus meet all the OHs. Pink phenolphthalein, I think that's straight dope. Mixing a lipid here and it'll make it soap. You want it neutral, pH is low. Better set up a titration with a strong hydroxyl drop. Yeah, my lab tech, she told me don't worry about your eyes. If an acid gets in, then we just have to neutralize. You know I love me, my stomach, and all the things it dissolves. But my bowel that keeps it from meeting my intestine walls. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no acid. I'm all about that bass, no acid. I'm all about that bass, no acid. I'm all about that bass, I'm gonna do the math to figure out the ratios to react. Stoichiometry, yeah, that's where it's at. And it'll tell you to prepare with this 1 molar for your strong hydroxyl drop. Yeah, my lab tech, she told me don't worry about your eyes. Cause if acid gets in, we can fix it without collide. That always know I love me, my stomach, and all the things it dissolves. But my bowel that keeps it from meeting my intestine walls. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no acid. I'm all about that bass, no acid.